let me show you a variation of the touch, like this, touch, and then transfer, touch, transfer. So it goes like this, touch, transfer, touch, transfer. Maybe you don't see well. Here you will see better. Look at my heel, touch and transfer, touch, transfer, touch, transfer. So how do I do it? It's super easy. It's one of the easiest things that you can learn. It's you touch, and then now instead of transferring normally, like usually, just transferring like this, you will use your heel to make half circle like this and go on the floor like this, half circle. All right, I'm here, half circle, and I transfer. Here, half circle, half circle, and half circle, and let me go here, half circle, half circle, half circle, half circle. So there's just one thing you need to be careful about for this one, is that it's just the heel. All right, I don't move my whole body, because if I move my heel, sometimes I will want to move my hips with it, but now I'm not very comfortable and my partner won't be comfortable either. So be careful to lock your body, lock your hips, to not move like this. All right, it's just the heel. All right, and boom, and boom. Let me show you that way, and boom, and boom, and boom. Let's practice together. All right, everybody, let's do it together. We'll go slow first and then do it on tempo. It goes like this. And touch, and down, and touch, and down, and touch, and down, and touch, and down. Turn around, slow. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Down, and touch, and down, touch, down, touch, down. Turn around, and 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn around, and 5, 6, 7, go, and touch, and half circle, touch, half circle, touch, again, and touch, and down. All right, let's do it tempo now. It goes like this. 6, 7, 8. Touch, down, touch, down, touch, down, touch, down. Turn around. 6, 5, 6, 7, go, and touch, down, touch, down, touch, down, touch, down. Turn around, and 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn around, and 5, 6, 7, go, and touch, 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 and turn around, and let's do it last time, and go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, girls, you got it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot more on the way. Also, if you're interested in going deeper with your knowledge and know everything there is about following in Kizomba and Urbankiz, we have an online school for you, amazing-follows.com. We will be thrilled to see you on the other side. Bye.